Hey guys, how's it going? So, you just bought yourself a brand new Pixel 7 and you're loving the stock Android feel. But despite having stock Android, Google does bundle the Pixel 7 with plenty of unique features that aren't really available on most other devices, with some of them being completely exclusive to the Pixel 7. So, what are those features? Well, that's what this video is all about. This is One from Guiding Tech, and in today's video, we'll be taking a look at some of the most unique and amazing features that the Pixel 7 packs, and as a consumer, you should definitely know about them. Let's get started. Alright, so kicking things off, we have Magic Eraser. Now, I know there are apps on the Play Store that try and give you the same output that this feature does, but trust me, nothing does it as good as Google does it. What the feature basically does is that it allows you to remove elements from an image seamlessly, making the end result look absolutely perfect. Now, to use it, simply tap on your picture in the Photos app, tap on Edit, Tools, and finally tap on Magic Eraser. And you should then see the suggestions with an option to erase any unwanted elements. You can also select your own specific targets to erase, which works on both human and non-human shots. And as you can see on your screen, the end result looks completely natural. Now, another cool AI-based feature that the Pixel 7 offers is photo unblur. Now, we've all been there when we're trying to capture a photo, but the face just moves, or the image, or basically the subject is moving, or even your hand could be shaking, and essentially the photo comes out blurry. Well, with the Pixel 7, you can turn your blurred images to perfect still images. To use this feature, go to the Google Photos app, select a photo, and then tap Edit. From here, tap on Tools, and then tap on Unblur. Google will now use its AI to remove any blurriness from the photo. What's more is that you can even use this feature to retouch old photos that you took years ago with bad cameras and basically convert them to high-res images with proper clarity. Moving along, another cool trick that the Pixel 7 has up its sleeve is portrait video. Now, while this feature is there on other devices too, Google does it much better and also adds a cinematic feel to it, recording it at 24 FPS. As you can see on your screen, the video looks absolutely amazing and quite true to its nature, quite cinematic. Now, to use this, just open the camera app and tap on the cinematic mode to start recording videos like these. Alright, so moving along, yes, the Pixel 7 comes with a 90Hz refresh rate, which definitely makes all the content on the display quite smooth. However, if you're running low on battery life, it's advisable to switch to a 60Hz refresh rate in order to conserve more juice. To do that, just head over to the settings, tap on display, and just turn off the toggle next to smooth display. This will basically turn off the 90Hz refresh rate and keep the display locked to 60Hz. Now, do keep in mind that this will of course make all the content on your display look far less smooth, I would say. So only use it when you have to conserve some battery life, because otherwise your experience will not be that good. Alright, so moving along, everyone loves the back tap feature on their iPhone devices, right? In a similar fashion, Google has also added the ability to tap on the back of your device to quickly launch apps or do other actions. To use this, simply head to Settings, System, Gestures, and then tap on Quick Tap to start actions. From here, you can choose a certain app or action to trigger automatically when you tap the back of your phone. Right, so next up, there's a new feature that Android 13 brought about, which is the ability to change the language, but not of your device entirely, but inside specific apps. You know, there are times where you have to use a specific app in a specific language, but don't want to change the language of the whole device. Well, with Android 13 on the Pixel 7, you finally have that feature. Just head over to Settings, System, Language and Input, and finally tap on App Languages. From here, just select the specific apps that you would like to use with this feature. Now, as you can see on your screen, while the device language remains English, you can use a specific app in a different language of your choice. Alright, so of course, the best part about Pixel devices, like in my opinion, is the material you theming. Now, I know that this feature obviously is there on pretty much every other Android 12 and Android 13 device, but honestly, the result on the Pixel 7 is far more smoother and much more accurate as compared to any other device out there. What material you basically means is that based on the colors in your wallpaper, the system will generate different color palettes. Now, of course, there's also the option of having a single solid color too. Once you make your own selection, the color palette appears in the settings menu and some apps throughout your device. Now, while this is one way to customize your Pixel 7 device, of course, there are so many things that you can do in the journey of customizing your Android experience on the Pixel 7. For instance, do you want a new wallpaper? Well, we have a list of the best wallpaper apps for your Android device. What's more is that maybe you want a more customizable launcher experience, something that the stock Google launcher does not offer. Well, in that case, you can check out our dedicated video on the best Android launchers for your device. And well, that was it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is One from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.